Ever seen a website build itself? No code, no stress. Just automation in action. Let's uncover the secret behind one tiny misconfiguration that changes everything.
It all begins with a broken layout, headers off, text fading, assets misaligned. But behind the chaos hides one silent switch.
One side screams disorder, the other flows effortlessly. The difference? Knowing where that hidden switch lives.
Inside every CMS lies a control called template inheritance. It decides what your pages become.
One click, and the chaos rebuilds itself. Layouts lock in, fonts align, everything finds its place.
It's like the website knows its own DNA, self-correcting design logic at work.
This isn't magic. It's logic hidden deep in your framework, waiting to be activated.
Load time drops instantly. Search engines love it. Users stay longer. One toggle, 2 wins.
Doubt it? Watch the console. Errors vanishing as structure rebuilds live.
Those green lights? Proof that your system healed itself.
Now word forming is here, so let's take to environment. Now we need audience. Even your data realigns. Relationships rebuilt. Integrity restored.
That glitch wasn't failure. It was potential, waiting for activation.
In seconds, the new layout is live. Clean, fast, elegant.
Fancy? That single refresh, the satisfying moment developers chase.
That rush you feel, that's dopamine, automation style.
Visitors, traffic climbs, SEO improves, all from one overlooked setting.
Lesson 1. Stop fighting your CMS. Learn its defaults. Master its logic.
And every builder speaks one language, templates. If you're listening to in just this video, that you channel share on the video, I can fill in the corner relay to connect you with my bunch podcast, either sublet channels, if we're not for students, fellow graduates.
Tiles become design cells. Divs become story frames.
One color variable, endless visual harmony. From one change come hundreds of updates. Fonts sync, styles unify, pages accelerate, all through logic.
Let's rewind. The rebuild engine listens for that trigger. Once you flip it, your CMS re-renders its structure files, fixes assets, and caches layouts in real time. A self-healing system.
You didn't just fix a site. You activated intelligence. Real pros automate progress.
This is CI/CD for everyone. Continuous improvement. Automatic, invisible, powerful.
If this helped you see websites differently, like and subscribe. Your support fuels smarter, faster content.
You just watched Automation Think. I'm Mohammed Tahir. Keep building smart and share this with someone who needs a simpler fix today.